Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to merge bodies. So you can go to parametric body and create new sketch. I will choose the top plane. Okay, as the first body, you can draw rectangle and use pet tools to convert into 3D. Now you can create again the new body, click new sketch and I will choose the top plane. So we'll draw with this option slot and use pet tools to convert into 3D. Now if you want to merge this body, you can move the second body. Okay, we'll move into here. Now if you want to merge these two body, you can go to the first body, right click and use the active body. Now use the boolean tools and add body. You can select the second body. Don't forget to use the fuse to merge between the two bodies. Click OK to apply. So it will be set into the body one. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to merge bodies.